Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can use Todoist templates for recurring projects. First off, let's start by creating a new project in Todoist. This is where you'll be adding all your tasks and deadlines. The reason we do this is to have a central place where we can add, manage, and track all our recurring tasks. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. We're going to add tasks to this project. Remember, these tasks should be the ones you intend to repeat regularly. This helps us because by documenting these tasks, we're setting the groundwork for our recurring project template. Next up, we're going to turn this project into a template. To do this, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your Todoist project. Then select Export as a Template. This step is crucial because it allows us to create a reusable framework that can be applied to future projects of a similar nature. Let me explain why this matters. By using templates for recurring projects, you're saving yourself the hassle of having to create the same tasks over and over again. It's a nifty little productivity hack that helps you focus on getting the work done rather than setting it up. Okay, so we've got our template. What next? Well, the next time you have a similar project, just go to Import from Template in the New Project dropdown. Then, select the template you created earlier. This step streamlines your workflow by pre-populating your project with the tasks you've already defined in the template. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is automating a repetitive task, freeing up your time and mental energy for the tasks that truly need your attention. Plus, it's decreasing the likelihood of any tasks slipping through the cracks. And there you have it. You now know how to use Todoist templates for recurring projects. It's a simple yet effective way to stay organized and ensure nothing gets missed. Remember, the key to productivity isn't just working harder, but smarter. And using Todoist templates for recurring projects is one smart move. That's it from us today. Until next time, keep ticking off those tasks.